finally tried to get the Arduino to control the two motors using a transistor. Haven't had any luck so far. Here's the program. Real simple, just trying to get it to basically flip the switch on the transistor to allow the motors to run, and so far I have not been successful. But I think it's important to document the failures of the project as well as the success of certain things. My guess is that the Arduino output isn't enough to trigger the NPN transistor and allow the current to flow through it and make the motors here that we have on both sides power up. So I'm going to keep messing with it. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave it in the comments.